Let's get some trader talk now from Michele Schneider, Director of Trading and Education at the MarketGauge Group. Wonderful to have you on our show, Mich. A couple of big events this week. Fed Chair Powell giving testimony on Capitol Hill, and of course the jobs report are both likely to be market movers.
Well, it's like the market is overly sensitive to everything right now. And we've gone through this period where super optimism based on the Fed possibly stopping at some point in terms of the raising and inflation peaking. And on top of the Fed speak this week and the jobs report, we've got a new CPI coming out next week. So I think this will be interesting. And if you step back, you have to say nothing really has changed from when we started the year. The still persistent trading range, for lack of a better word, persists, right? So you still have 4,200 as the high, or we got close, and then we have the 3,900 as the pivotal low, and then from there we could see much lower. But right now, with yields falling a little bit, and in anticipation that growth stocks are going to continue here, with AI being the biggest thing, the market's gotten happy. I think still I wouldn't get overly happy. I'd still take an active approach to this, and as we get closer to resistance, sort of trim and tail, as they say.
What is your trade of the day?
Well, there's a lot of stocks right now, if the market behaves, that will have great opportunities. Like, for example, Garmin is a stock that broke all the way down and now looks like it's trying to base. But I wouldn't necessarily go there. I'm really into right now, believe it or not, Teva Pharmaceuticals, because it is really beyond the whole opioid crisis. Number one, they've settled. Number two is, from a technical standpoint, it broke out on a weekly chart and it's just been consolidating. And I think if it holds around this 950 to 1050 level, which is where it's consolidating, and takes out from there, you could see this stock easily head somewhere between $13 to $15.
Well, good to talk about a stock we don't hear much about. Thank you so much, Mich.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.